This simple technique reconfigures the way Google Analytics is loaded to avoid the render blocking effect of those resources and help improve loading speed for a better user experience. The normal asynchronous Google Analytics code includes two parts: a snippet of inline JavaScript and an external file reference. This is placed in the head section of the HTML and of course needs the unique property ID. The first step to defer Google Analytics is to move the inline JavaScript snippet to a deferred external file. If you have an existing deferred file, add the analytics snippet there or create a new file if necessary. In either case, as always, minify the resulting code and serve the file with compression and a long cache expiration period. The second step is even easier. Just replace the async attribute on the reference to analytics.js with defer. And that's it. The result still has two parts, but now both are deferred, both are cached, and removing the inline JavaScript also cleans up the HTML a bit. The Google Analytics resources will now load in the background at a low priority and then execute later in the loading process after the page has otherwise rendered just before the DOM content loaded event. Although not typically a concern, one potential consideration is that this configuration will run the Google Analytics tracking code slightly later in the loading process and therefore may miss some very short duration bounce traffic on slower networks and devices. Visit frontmend.com for more ways to improve website loading speed.